Start with the white paint pot as your base. Set the base with the Zombie Apocalypse Contour Palette. Apply the black shade from the Smokey paint palette on your lid and lower lash line. Blend in the purple shade from the Hallow-Queen 10-pen palette with an eyeshadow brush. For a devilish look, define your brows with the red shade from the Smokey paint palette. Next, layer in the red shade from the Horoscope glitter palette. Next, draw the outline of the skull on your cheeks with breaker-proof retractable eyeliner. Fill in and blend with the black shade from the Smokey paint palette to enhance shadows. Draw on skull-like teeth with H2O-proof liquid liner. Use the nose portion from the Shadow Guard Stencil to create the nose portion. Place the Stone Cold Witch Gem Face Mask and the Chill to the Bone Gem Face Mask to your liking to add sparkle and make your look pop. Complete your look with the false lashes in Mysterious.
Ghosts of our past keep on coming up the air, baby.